Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing the best crypto trading books for advanced traders. As you probably know, crypto trading can be a complex and volatile market, but with the right knowledge and strategies, it can also be highly profitable. And that's where these books come in. First on our list is The Art of Trading Cryptocurrencies by Glen Goodman. In this book, Goodman shares his insights and experiences as a former financial trader, offering practical advice on how to read market trends and make informed trading decisions. Next up is Cryptoassets, The Innovative Investor's Guide to Bitcoin and Beyond, by Burniske and Jack Tatar. This book provides an in-depth analysis of various crypto assets, including Bitcoin, and explores their potential impact on the financial world. Third on our list is Trading Cryptocurrencies, A Beginner's Guide, by Clem Chambers. This book covers the basics of crypto trading, from setting up a wallet to understanding technical analysis, making it a great resource for those just starting out. Our fourth recommendation is The Crypto Trader, by Glen Goodman. In this book, Goodman dives deeper into the mechanics of crypto trading, providing readers with advanced strategies and techniques for maximizing profits. Last but not least, we have Mastering Bitcoin, Unlocking Digital Cryptocurrencies, by Andreas Antonopoulos. This book is a must-read for anyone looking to gain a deep understanding of Bitcoin and its underlying technology, as well as its potential implications for the future of finance. And that wraps up our list of the best crypto trading books for advanced traders. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, these books are sure to provide valuable insights and strategies for navigating the exciting world of crypto trading. Thanks for watching, and be sure to leave a comment below with your favorite trading book.